Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So without any further delay, let me tell you आज हम हैं जापान में और मैं जा रही हूँ टोक्यो स्टेशन. So ये हम आ गए हैं टोक्यो स्टेशन after almost 3 hours of journey and जहाँ भी देखो यहाँ लंबी लंबी buildings and it is so crowded. I mean it is so compact I have to say because ये एक आइलैंड कंट्री है एंड इसकी पॉपुलेशन भी इस कंट्री के साइज़ के हिसाब से मुझे लगता है काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. सो लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट दिस टोक्यो स्टेशन. So this station is one of the most busiest station in Japan. I think this is almost 100 meters long station which has almost like 300 trains running every day. So what I've also read is यहाँ पे 3.5 lakh लोग रोज हर दिन आते हैं just to catch flights. Imagine how big is this place? And just to let you know, there are so many branded shops and outlets here, which is so surprising because this is no less than a mall to me. When I saw it, I was so amazed and surprised. You can get so many fancy items and stuff here in terms of brands, food, and souvenir, lot many things. And this is, of course, the map here, which you get to see. I found it like quite complicated because I have seen a lot of, easy metro station and metro lines in other countries, but this one was quite. I have to say it was quite complicated for me, but yeah, I had my colleagues, genius colleagues, who actually managed to do well. I will highly recommend you to have internet connection in especially Asian countries because you will always have a language barrier because most of the population they speak Japanese. Even the youngsters, I have seen and noticed that they are mostly into English and I mean, yeah, I mean, they can help you, but they cannot understand all of it. So here we are inside the metro, and it looks so pretty because of the color, of course. And of course, we are again at the station to the destination where we were going, which I will tell you later. But you see, this place is so crowded. I mean, wherever you go, there is no such point in Japan where I found it was not busy or crowded. So we are at a place which is called as Shinjuku. This place is quite famous for nightlife, restaurants, and a lot of things that you can do in Japan. So I have to tell you very clearly that if you want to dine in here in any place, any small restaurant, cafe, or any corner, you really will have to, queue up for a long time. So be ready for that. And it is just not easy to have a peaceful corner because all these places are always crowded. So we decided to go to Shibuya and Hachiko to see the dog that used to wait for his owner after his death for almost 10 years and then he died himself and then there is a statue of him there. And then we also figured out that there is a crossroad which is the world's very crowdest crossroad, and you can see that in the next video that how fast the crowd comes and disappears. So after almost 3 hours, हमें ना तो जगह मिली है खाने की. We somehow managed to get into one cafe, restaurant cum bar, and the cards were not getting accepted. So we had to withdraw the cash.
Oh my god, it's based on the true story. There is a dog and he was waited for 10 years for his owner, and he died here.
He's the one.
Yeah.
So guys, right now we are in Shibuya. Shibuya is like a beating heart of Japan, I have to say. So here you will see the neon signs, you will see a lot of giant screens with display, and you will see the crowd just disappearing and coming back to the place within friction of seconds, which what I actually experience. You can see right now I'm recording and every single person is recording. This experience was insane and you have to come here for this. How is your liver going?
It's an amazing experience getting lost in here.
How about you?
I think it's been the best metro
Liar,
experience
such
ever.
a-
It's been thanks to you all, thanks to you, such a good Japanese speaker. Thank you very much.
Light 2 and 2,500 people crossed the road. This is the biggest crossroad in the world.
So yeah, this was it. And after capturing all possible shots of Crossroad, we actually bumped into one grocery store and we found these big size grapes and fruits, which was quite amazing. And we got some takeaway and we ran back to our hotel. So this was all about Japan, and I hope you have liked this vlog because I certainly did enjoy. And now when I look back, I really felt that it was worth going this far to the city and to witness something that I was not even aware about. So a big thumbs up to Japan. I have really enjoyed this vlog and whole trip, and we'll see you next time in some other destination and cool memories. Stay updated, stay tuned. Bye bye.